Hello friends, welcome back to the PrepZone Challenger series. We have covered 12 questions so far in the Challenger series, which is meant to challenge you each and every day. And the agenda is that we all create a very learning atmosphere so that we can learn from each other, and at least there is some small learning each and every day in quant topic, which we typically tend to ignore at times. So we have covered 12 questions so far. For the new students, do have a look at all the 12 videos. You would find it in the same playlist. And also subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share this channel with as many friends as you can. We are a startup. In fact, this is our new initiative. So we would love to have as many aspirants, and if we can reach out to each and every aspirant and help them in every possible way. So today we are going to do question number 13, which is again from the same topic, algebra. 13, I know it looks like a very unlucky number, but yeah, let's see how many of you can turn this unlucky number into your lucky ones. So let's very quickly move on to the question number 13. Yes, I know the expression looks very scary, but yes, let's just face it, it is cat after all, right? So the question says x plus 1 by x is equals to 3, and you need to find the value of this humongous expression, right? So yeah, pause the video, at least try to attempt this question and share the time taken, answer and your approach. So yes guys, so the key to crack this question lies in visualizing this question. So how many of you were able to analyze a pattern in this question? Here a coefficient is 1, here the coefficient is 1, here it's 3, here it's 3, 2, 2 and then 4. So if you actually observe, the coefficient is symmetric about x cube, right? And maximum power is x to the power 6 in this expression. So what I will always do in such expression is first is analyze the pattern. If you see this pattern, that the numerator or the equation which you need to determine the value of, if it is symmetric about the coefficients, then what you need to do is, it is symmetric about x cube, right? Because x to the power 4, x square, their coefficients are symmetric. Or you can say maximum power is x to the power 6, its half is x cube. So either way that you will have to analyze basis the question. You would divide this entire numerator as well as denominator by x cube. Why? Because this equation is symmetric about x cube. So let's do it. What does this become? This become x cube and this become 1 by x cube, right? I'm just clubbing these two terms, first term and the last term. Similarly, this is, if I divide this by x cube, this will be 3x square and this will be 3 by x square. I'll take 3 common, so this becomes this expression, right? Similarly, this and this, and I'll take 2 common, right? So what this will be? This will be x plus 1 by x, and this will be 4, and denominator would be, right? You would say that yes, I have to take x cube outside. That is very true, but I do not need to care. Why? Because this term will get cancelled from numerator and denominator. Now it's very easy, right? You know this thing, so you know these individual terms. Let's simplify. What is this? If this is 3, this is, you remember, p cube minus 3p. So p cube is 27 minus 9, which is 18. So this is 18 plus 3 into, this is p square minus 2, which is 9 minus 2, which is 7. This is given 6, and this is plus 4 divided by this value, which is cos 18. I don't need to calculate again. So this is what? 7 3 is 21, 29, 39, 39 and 49 by 18 is your final answer, right? See how simple it is? You should be able to solve this within, I think, 40 to 50 seconds. So what did we learn? We learned how can we visualize the question, and once we have visualized the question, what are the different tricks which we can apply. So guys, that's it for today. Do mention in the comment box how you are liking this initiative, if this approach helps you in your preparation, and if there is anything else which we guys can do to help you boost up your confidence and the preparation level. Thank you, good night and have